Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Change the unit here, MMGS, select Extrude, select front plane, select line, create one rough sketch, give the dimensions, length is 174 and this is 24 mm each side, height is 16 mm, this height is 14 mm, give the constraints, vertical constraint, horizontal constraint. That's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane, length we required 46 mm. Next, select the right plane, sketch, create one circle, give the dimensions 46, here to here 50 mm, give the vertical constraints, select circle again, diameter 15 mm, select line, create line like this, trim this line, give the diamond tangent constraint here, trim this unwanted line. So finish sketch. Thickness is 16 mm, select extrude, reverse the direction, thickness we want 16 mm, here select offset, the pitch between two plates is 38 by 2. Finish. Next select this surface, sketch, create one circle here, diameter 28 mm, select convert entities, select this whole. So finish sketch. Here select extrude only 2 mm. Next select here front plane sketch. Create line like this. Give the dimensions here to here 25 mm. Finish sketch. Select here rib, thickness is 12 mm. Next there is a 2 holes. Select this surface, sketch. You can press Ctrl 8. Diameter 10 mm. Give the dimensions. Pitch is 24 mm. From the side 12 mm. Diameter 10 mm. This and this give the equal constraint. Select this and this, give the vertical constraint. This and give the pitch here 12 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extruded cut. Here we can select through hole. There is a fillet. For that select here fillet or 2 mm. Select the edges. Okay. Select mirror, mirror about center plane. One fillet is missing. So assign the material, friends. Metal, in the metal go with aluminum, polished aluminum. Can edit appearances. You can assign the color like this, which color you want. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session. Friends, if you required any drawing support, you can leave the comment below or send the mail ID in the comment. Definitely I will send the required drawings. And also requesting everyone, please don't forget subscribe my channel, friends. Thanks for watching this session.